Which salt is acidic in nature? First one is ammonium chloride. It is formed by the reaction between NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, plus HCl. This ammonium hydroxide is a weak base and hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. So this is acidic. NH4Cl is an acidic salt or ammonium chloride. What about this one? CH3COONH4. So this is between acetic acid CH3COOH and a weak base ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. So both are weak. Weak acid, weak base, they get completely neutralized. So this is a neutral salt. What about NaCl? Between sodium hydroxide NaOH and HCl. Both are strong, but they are completely neutralized, and this is also a neutral salt. Whereas sodium carbonate, as you know, is a strong base. Between sodium hydroxide and H2CO3, carbonic acid. So this is a strong base. So this is the correct option. That is, ammonium chloride is acidic in nature.